Hi everyone, here we have an Atari disk drive with communication problem. In matter of fact, it does nothing when I try to load in something. It's like not present drive error. To solve this problem, we have to remove the cover and remove some screw here, and here at the bottom. And now with the cover removed, we have to remove those other screws here, here, and here. And now we can remove the mechanism. And screws from here, here, and here. And now we can remove the PCB. Now, with all apart, we can see the bottom of the PCB. And generally, the problem of the failure are these contact points that often too broken, bad solder broken, cold solder, or solder crack. So, to fix that problem, what I do are solder a little piece of wires from pin number 7 to pin number 7 and resistor number 2, pin number 5 to pin number 5 and resistor 1, and pin number 3 to jumper 2 and pin number 3 to jumper 2. Hopefully this will solve the problem and your disk drive will last for many years. Enjoy!